Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to countersink a screw and the benefits of countersinking a screw. The reason you countersink a screw is to get the head of the screw below the face of the board. Without countersinking a screw and just driving the screw into the board, what you'll notice is that it starts to crack and look like this. When trying to make nice finished projects, you don't want cracking and splitting like this, but you definitely want the screw head to be below the face of the board. That way it's easy for you to fill it in with wood filler and to sand over it and to hide the screw. So instead what we can use is called a countersinking bit. They make these in all different shapes and sizes. I'll put a link in the description below. The one I'm going to use today is 3/8 of an inch. They're super easy to use. All you need to do is put it into your drill and drill out wherever you're going to add a screw onto your wood. The countersink bit will only go a certain depth in the wood, so you don't have to worry about over drilling. I'm going to use the same size screw to show you transparently the difference between countersinking a screw and not countersinking a screw. You can see that the screw head sits below the face of the wood, which is what we want. It's hidden, but it accomplishes that without cracking or splitting the wood. This is just a much more professional and finished look to any of your wood projects. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.